jargon for you. And like so much jargon all around the world, seems determined to make the very simple seem rather more complicated than in fact it is. And so Annabelle comes down to act as my very glamorous assistant and holds the other end of the training line. And all we are doing with her is flying her in one direction across the ring. It matters not with this bird how hard the wind is blowing. However, where the wind is coming from is critical. She only wants to take off and land going into the wind. Which way are we going? Shall we try that way? She's happier doing that way. The bit crosswind? Yeah? Wait, sweetheart. On there? So she's just, at her last molt, she started to molt out into her adult plumage. That is why she looks rather different. Does it wait? She looks rather different to the two males who are in the aviary. They are a couple of years younger than her. They are toy boys, effectively. And they will start to change into having white shoulder patches and the white noses as well. And their beaks will continue to get ever more yellow. She's just eating a piece of rat there. I'm terrified she might have missed the most insignificant little bit. This has also been a challenge since she arrived here. She used to eat, like most of the birds here, a diet that's based on chicken, namely day-old chickens. They are a byproduct, nice, they are a byproduct of the egg industry. So basically all the males, because males ain't never going to lay eggs. They bump them off at a day old, and we feed them to eagles. And then one day, a few months ago, we saw her doing something when she was eating that's enough to send a shiver of dread down the spine of anybody who works with these birds. And what she was doing was pulling the chicks apart and then just flicking. And there's no way I could think it that time. And then just flicking the pieces away. And every time I've ever seen a bird do that before, that's been an indicator that that bird isn't feeling very well. Because normally what it means is that the bird is hungry but doesn't actually feel capable of swallowing. And my heart sank. However, I needn't have worried. It turned out there was nothing at all wrong with the washing. After that, all she had done was decide she no longer like the taste of chicken, and so she wasn't going to eat it anymore, ever again. And it has been pointed out to me that as a female eagle, she was quite literally exercising her prerogative to change her mind, so she so wants. And so we tried her with a rat. We do feed the birds rats here. It turns out that in a washing, like eating rats, the first time that I showed her one, she was so excited, she was jumping up and down both feet at the same time and squeaking like a little schoolgirl. And so now she has a diet that is almost solely based on rats and quail. Now there is a slight financial situation that develops when they're big birds like this. Nothing but rats and quail. Because you see, day-old chickens cost us a princely sum of 3p each. However, our large rats cost us £1.65 each. And she will happily eat 2 of them in a single day. Meaning that, as my wife once calculated, this bird, all by herself, now costs more to feed than our son does. However, the simple fact of the matter is that I don't care. Because I don't think there is any doubt about it that this bird here is one of the most fantastic creatures on the face of the earth, and I feel truly privileged to be working with her. And that means that little William got to go without his tea tonight, and so in a while she gets her rat, and that is the way it's going to have to be. You will notice that in a washing has a hobby. We all need a hobby, something to do in our spare time, happy. And in a washing hobby is doing her very best to bite you in the face. Sea eagles, all eagles are biters to some degree. Sea eagles are at the far end of the spectrum of how much they bite. And there is also always an issue with the bigger birds of how you hold them. You see, all birds of prey are very conscious of their personal space. We've all got a bird's personal space. We've all met people who stand too close to us when they're talking. And what we do is either ask them to back up a little bit, or we back up ourselves. And with the smaller birds, because of the length of our arms, we can hold them in a position that's comfortable for us and comfortable for them too. However, with the eagles, my arm's just not long enough to keep her a comfortable distance away. And the further out I hold her, the harder it is for me as well. And what tends to happen is subconsciously, as your arm gets tired, you bring it in a bit closer. And when she feels that that's quite far enough, she doesn't just tap you on the shoulder and say, "Excuse me, Charlie, could you just back up?" She just And she had me on the ear the other day so hard I was fairly sure she managed to pierce my ear. And I'm still not convinced that she didn't. One more go, sweetheart. I'm going to beat you this time. Look at that. Isn't that a cool night thing? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the last verse that we are playing today.
Okay.
Thank you so much for making it right the way through until the bitter end. We do like to trade all the verses when people are watching, because it means that these guys get thrown into the deep end and they learn to work with people in here from day one. And secondly, and hopefully just as importantly, it means that you guys get a bit of a glimpse into what we have to put into the birds to get them to do what they do. I do hope you have enjoyed your day here. I am so tired, I can't even begin to explain it, but I think the first ever battle there has been a glorious success, and we're going to do it again next year. So I'm afraid you've all got to come next year as well. Thanks so much for coming.